Rachel's been kicking some butt with the double rig. I've been catching a lot of fish too on the spin rod. So here's the plan. I brought with me a fly tying vise, turkey feathers, and ran out of the glue stuff, so Rachel grabbed some nail polish for us at the last second. So I'm gonna try to whip up one of these, tie it on the fly rod, and see if I can catch a white bass. And of course it's raining right now. Why did it just start raining, honey?
I'm not sure.
That's not ideal, but we should be okay.
Wait, did you throw these chips at me?
Well, the rain stopped a little bit, and before we leave, I'm gonna try to get a few of these on the fly rod. Ripped over to a new spot, and of course while doing so, I don't think I put my turkey feather beautiful fly that I just tied up in a safe spot, and it's gone. So that's not ideal, and I don't think I have another hook to tie up a new one, nor do I want to let the nail polish dry, so I'm gonna pull a fly off of this other rod that I had on the double rig. That was Rachel's money. That was your money ticket at the last spot. She was catching a whole bunch of fish on it, and now I'm stealing it from her.
You were doubled up too on it.
I did double up. Rachel, I'm just gonna warn you, like from the get-go, watch out for a flying fly on this thing. I mean, it is a fly rod, but I'm not confident in my casting ability, so it'll be interesting. There's also this random red rain barrel here.
Red?
Or this random blue. Why did I say red? Oh no, dude! Acting a fool right now because there's white bass jumping all around me, and I'm multitasking to the max. But this blue rain barrel is sitting on the river, just littering. And we decided to pick it up and bring it back with us because we'll make some raised garden beds or something out of it. All right. Good to go on that. Here's the fly. So this is a previous one that I tied up. Very similar, turkey marabou, purple tinsel, little bead right on the top of it. And it replicates very well these river shiners that the white bass are absolutely chomping on. If you listen in the background right now, you can just hear them. I have never done this before, and I don't consider myself a fly fisherman, but I have a feeling this could be a lot of fun because these fish fight extremely hard. This is a trout tippet for the fly rod, so I'm hoping it's strong enough. I'm definitely gonna have to play these fish wisely.
Finesse them.
I am going to have to finesse them to the max. Oh boy.
Because you've got a lot going on.
If this works, this is gonna be so fun.
You have a lot going on.
They're feeding like crazy there. Gobble. Oh my gosh. Fly rod white bass. You might have to try this. This is pretty cool.
I don't really know anything about fly fishing.
This is like a tiny white bass too, and it's fighting like crazy. Probably should not have boat flipped him for that, but that's a success. White bass on the fly rod. Hopefully we can catch a couple more, some nicer ones. I think there's some good ones out here. Oh my gosh. They are feeding all around right now. That was sweet. Did you see him chase that thing?
No, I was watching you.
Oh my goodness. That's a good one. GoPro, stop recording. This is insane. Look at him just jumping everywhere. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at he's right there. Here he comes. Nice white bass. This is so cool. I might need this little net. Easy. Like I said, this is a trout tippet, so I don't really know how much I can pull on it. Come on, fish. Oh, geez, I'm attacking. It is not easy to land these with the fly rod, but that is awesome. That was awesome right there. Turkey marabou fly from a turkey I shot this year, actually. Awesome white bass. But let's release this bad boy. Thanks for filming that, honey. That is a fun fish to catch, and especially on the fly rod. Oh man, that's cool. They're jumping right there too. Babe, try this.
I don't want to get in your way.
No, you're not.
There's a
You're
lot.
not gonna get in my way. Seriously, catch him with the popper. Just fish like, just cast that direction, or like right in front of the boat. Oh, I was coming back on the back cast and he was on it. Maybe that one, you gotta do the twitching motion. Make it. Oh my goodness. Look at him feeding up there. That is insane. I'm gonna take the trolling motor and get a little closer to that. That's sweet. That'd be real sporadic. Got him? They are chomping right now. Looks like it. Nice. Big one, honey. On the papa.
Oh, every time I think it's done raining, it is not. Good pepper.
So this is just insanity. I mean, they are going nuts. You hooked up?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
He made a big old ruckus over there.
Very nice, hon.
Yeah, not a bad one.
No, it's a good one. Yeah, let me know if you need help with that treble hook. All right, let's see. Let's see if I can do this here. I'm just casting it out and stripping it back. I find it's more natural to be going upstream. There's less bend in my line. Yeah.
I just don't want to grab this. Oh. Well, he's gone.
It's all right. Oh my gosh. This is probably the worst thing I can be doing is dropping my line down here where I have so much stuff laying in the boat. Uh-oh, it's starting to rain a little bit. I feel like when the rain happens, the bite kind of is not as good. I feel like they're seeing all the, well, over there apparently they don't seem to care. Goodness, they're everywhere. I can't cast that far. Crushing them, babe.
They like the popper.
Yep, it's definitely a little bigger than this fly right now. Holy smokes. You can flip them. Holy chunker. All you.
There's a few right there.
Yeah, there are. Come on. Bite me. Ah, dude, I can see fish coming up and grabbing minnows right now.
Don't want your fly.
No, they're not digging it. It started hot.
It's too small for them.
No, it's the perfect size.
Really? They're chomping this though. They want something to eat.
Well, I think it was cool to catch a couple, and this rain is gonna send me home and come do this again some other time. Tie up a couple more flies, maybe some different color options.
Don't lose them.
Yeah, and put them away next time I'm going fast on the boat. If anyone wants me to make them some turkey marabou white bass flies like this, let me know. Send me an email.